Focal sister brand Naim has announced new CI series range of amplifiers. Now they do different job. They're actually amplifiers and then streamers. Now the first one is the CI-Uniti 102. This is an all-in-one streamer as well as an amplifier. This model will be priced at $1,500. The company also announced their CI-NAP 101. Now this is a low impedance, low as well as high impedance mono power amplifier. This model will go for $2,000. Then finally they have the CI-NAP 108. Now this is an 8-channel power amplifier that is going to be priced at $3,000. The thing here with these models is the fact that you can buy them separately and use them for your music system if you want to, or you can get them together depending on what you want. The CI-Uniti 102 is the brain of the system, as it's currently the streamer / amplifier that offers both musical performance and versatility. It's designed to seamlessly integrate into any indoor or outdoor space, providing amplification for the CI Focal speakers. It is going to enhance your audio experience from all media sources such as your TV, Spotify, gaming console, and what have you. It has integrated DSP that provides full system calibration, enabling it to interconnect with the other products that I've just mentioned, like the CI-NAP 108 as well as the CI-NAP 101. It makes it a very suitable solution for you and makes it an easy option for you to go out to get. The company also states that the new Focal Naim Manager software is compatible with CI Focal speakers that enables you to customize the DSP fully for an optimal installation, whether in a commercial environment or at your home or outdoors. The CI-Uniti 102 is controlled by the end user through the Focal Naim application, as well as home automation platforms like Crestron. You have Control 4, you have RTI, there's Savant, and there's Elan. It will allow you to make use of these platforms to control the unit easily. Now you have other features like crossover for use with subwoofer with this model. You have delays for temporal alignment. You have the fact that it delivers 150 watts into 8 ohms. It's quite powerful. It's quite powerful. It's not the most powerful amp, but it's decent. It has 2 independent stereo RCA outputs that can be used for subwoofers or sub zones. There is multi-room capability for up to 32 rooms, and a universal 90 volts to 240 volt power supply. So this thing is a beast. Then if you get it, you can pair it up with any of the amps that I just mentioned, like their CI-NAP 108. Now this is an 8-channel power amplifier. It's a very remarkable amplifier in terms of power. It has a lot that you can gain with it. It's quite powerful. It comes with 10 RCA inputs at the back. It also has 10 RCA outputs for serial connection with other amplifiers such as the CI 101. It's very efficient. It's silent. It's a compact integrated power amplifier. It's a beast in many respects. You can get this to pair with the unit, or you can downscale to the CI-NAP 101. Now this one is just a rack mountable mono power amplifier that's capable of operating in a low or high impedance mode depending on what you want. So I'm gonna drop details for you guys down below so you see all the new products from Naim their new CI series products. Do subscribe to the channel, do like our content, follow us here on YouTube. I'll see you guys very much next